Now exploring with the group the local market. There should be some organic stuff. Let's see. Yep. There's even a sidecar here with the Royal Enfield. Alright. Yeah, finally made it. So some Centro Commercial here. Plenty of butchered pigs. And chickens. Some more foam. So obviously they have also foam parties here. So tell me, so what is it?
This is called Kimbolito, and it's made out of corn. It's corn, sugar, and raisins. That's it. And it's, you have to put all this like the dough in a leaf, and then you cook it in the leaf. That's it.
Sounds good to me. Looks good. Yeah, this white stuff was stomach, which the people use to make cheese. Here comes then the cheese. Yep. What is it called?
Zapote.
Ah, okay. Yes. I think I have had zapote once. Let's see how this one tastes. Yep, pretty good. I think this is ripe. Yeah. Yeah, I don't like those drinks in there. No, I have to floss later. Sugarcane to chew. Yeah, I didn't see anything organic here. However, typically people don't advertise, so you have to know where to go. And this market here is huge, so might be anywhere. One kilo of cherries for me. Andres promised yesterday to make me this morning vegan pancakes because his pancakes are coming from some ready package. But well, I can't find him now and it's already quite late. So maybe he already vanished. Yeah, it's now already 9:30. I just got back from work with Peto, and this being in this common room for 3 nights has totally messed up my rhythm, I must say. So I really have to put me an alarm again to get up like 6 o'clock as usually, and then enjoy the morning peace here. Peto knows I'm not doing too fine. I think I get some fever. Oh, good that Peto gives me company. Yeah, I'm not sure if I get the flu. I feel a bit feverish today. Oh, let's see. Yeah, this air here in the city is really horrible. So I try now to avoid the main streets because the buses just blow out the dust there. So yep, very heavy. And then in the hostel they have a habit to put there this smoking candles kind of thing. Yep, so I could hardly breathe this morning. Let's see. Yeah, this is the parking lot of the hostel, and I just barely fit here. Yeah, the leakage here is quite enormous actually. So this is the problem here. This gasket is completely torn off. Yep. Yeah, no wonder it's leaking. So, but I don't know what's the issue there. Bike is all together again, and this time I used some special stuff. Yeah, I had some of this one here left, Omnivisc 1002, and I put this now on the seal of the oil filter, so it will additional seal it and glue it there. And then also I put some thread lock on the oil filter thread. It might help. So now it's double glued. Let's hope it stays now for the next 10,000 kilometers. My first rice cooker cake. Let's see how it will be. Now here is my cake. Looks good. Well, I'm now letting it still cool down, have a walk with Petto, and then I think this will be my dinner. And then I saw this about 10 centimeter long spooky fellow in the street. Oh, my cake tastes absolutely delicious, and it has also good consistency. Absolute perfect for my first cake. I'm very happy, and as you can see, I was so excited that I ate already half before filming. Yeah, seems to be some party here tonight. It's Friday evening. But now, before it's bedtime, I will test the supposedly best chocolate in the world. So let's see how this tastes. Quite okay. But if my memory serves me right, Nicaragua chocolate was better. Yeah, there are some fireworks outside, and Petto is totally in panic here. Oh, poor guy. Oh, thank you, Petto.